Okay, so we've seen public transportation. We've seen, well, the promising land of contactless payment and remote payment. I'm just wondering whether in the car, you know, this car, we all know, for instance, in France, did you know that we have 26 million households and 36 million cars? So what about that? Are we just spending and wasting our time in the traffic jam? Yes, definitely. Will that change? Hopefully, yes, because there will be less cars because of mobile payment. We've seen that. But let's also consider that cars may become a new way of driving some information and content. So I'm really happy to welcome on stage Nicolas MERCOUROFF from Alcatel-Lucent, and he's gonna show us what connected car means. Welcome, Nicolas.
Merci, merci Pierre-Olivier. Thank you, Pop.
Thank you. Yeah, well done.
So you gave some, indeed, some interesting perspective regarding statistics in France. We could look at some other statistics. Actually, this is outside France, even outside Europe. It's in the US. If you consider that more than 500 million hours are spent by commuters in their car every week.
Wow.
500 million hours, that's 500 million. So that's certainly a lot of time that we spend in car today. Now, what it will be in 5 years? Well, probably we'll spend quite a lot of time. But what will be these cars in 5 years? I cannot really tell you what will be their shape, what will be their colors, how many wheels they will have. But what I can tell you is that, well, most likely there will be a lot of connected cars. So what are connected cars? These are cars which are constantly connected to the network via high bandwidth connection. But what is interesting is what for a connected car? Think about it. If you can start the video. Well, connected car, it means for the driver, it means advanced navigation system. It means having enhanced location service. It means having weather forecast, local traffic conditions, road condition. Even your car could be connected and share instantly the information and data with other connected cars. It means for the front passenger being able to do multimedia communication, of course, but as well, why not? Remote home control. It means doing e-commerce, purchasing application or multimedia content for the car. Now, for the back passengers, yeah, for the kids. Well, of course, it means on-demand video, connected video games, social networking, etc. You want more? Well, it could mean as well remote monitoring, remote surveillance of your car. It means remote maintenance and even remote assistance, teleassistance when you need it, in case of when you need security. Well, that's great. But you know what? This car exists.
Really?
Really, yes. It has been developed by Alcatel-Lucent with our partner of the NG Connect program. So I'm sorry, I couldn't bring it today here on stage. Right now it is in Shanghai for Shanghai Expo. But you may wonder why Alcatel-Lucent here? Well, of course, I can tell you that we are the leader in broadband, and in particular the leader in the underlying technology which makes it possible to connect this car, which is LTE. But maybe more importantly is that we have innovation at our heart. We work constantly on the innovation that will change the business of our customers. So these are operators, application content provider, even car manufacturers. But maybe what I would say, which is even more important, is that we work on understanding what will be the future for the end user, for these famous citizens. What will be their expectation, their needs, what they will be ready to pay for it. So Alcatel-Lucent and connected car, think about it. It makes sense. Just a last thing is that if you want to know more about this project of connected car, what we are doing, please join us in the exhibition floor on the transportation area, and here you will see a much longer video about that, and you will be able to ask all the questions you have.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nicolas.
Thank you, Nicolas.